How I brainwash myself to succeed. Have you ever thought to yourself, I am so far from where I want to be? When I was 15, I was timid, anxious, and underconfident, but I always wanted to be in the top 10%. But the irony is, 90% of the people in this world feel this way and they achieve goals below their potential. I've spent my 8 years building a system that helps me achieve goals in less time, and I'll show you how you can do it too. So instead of waiting for the perfect time, the first thing I do is planning. I take a piece of paper, divide it into four sections, write three goals in each, and pick one. Now, the question here is, how do you know what your goal should be? It can be any solution to your problem, which will bring a positive impact in your life. Now, here is an example. If you want to go to the gym 5 times a week, go 4 times a week because you have to make things easier for yourself so you can stay consistent for a long period of time. There's something I would recommend is having an Excel sheet or a physical journal so that you can track your progress and analyze your result. So the second step is getting into action. You cannot start randomly. You need to know the right direction first. So, how you can do that? You have a goal in your mind right now. You can write a list of all the possible action you need to take in order to achieve your goals. Here is an example. If someone wants to lose 10 kgs in 6 months, the first month goal should look like cutting off junk food. Similarly, the weekly goal will look like buying healthy snack, and the daily to-do list will look like going for a walk after every meal. Similarly, you can break down your goal into a monthly, weekly, and a daily to do list. Being grateful is so magnetic. It's time to let go of all the negative emotion, thoughts, doubts you have collected so far about yourself. If you start with this habit of waking up and going to bed heart full of gratitude, you will see a lot of barakat in your life. And start by building a very strong connection with Allah Ta'ala first. If you go to Him for asking for help for all the smallest inconvenience you're facing in your life, you will see things moving around for you and your life will become much easier. If you have watched so far, here is a bonus tip for you. My last step is attachment style. We all are human beings with different childhood traumas, insecurities, and emotion, which leads to development of different attachment style. That is why we all say we are all unique in ourselves. I have figured out about my attachment style a year ago, and identifying it and healing it has changed a lot in my life. If you want to start something today, start with it. And also, you have liked this video so far, kindly comment what you would like to see next and start small but stay consistent. Thank you so much for watching.